Hi guys, Peter here. So really exciting news. We've finally had the go-ahead to convert our carport into a kitchen. So we're going to start work on that this week. And hopefully over the next couple of months, we'll post more videos showing you or updating you of what work we're doing and how we're getting on so you can see the finished product. Here's the carport in its current state, just so you can have a look at it, but we're going to be putting windows, doors in, building a wall, insulation and a new floor. So hopefully it will transform this room or transform this barn, and I can't wait for you to see the finished product. I can't wait to see the finished product myself, to be honest with you. Let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to dig out where you can see where I've moved the gravel to either side. We're actually going to dig out so we can put foundations in, which are going to be the foundations for the wall, enclose the barn. So we need to put the foundations in, so I'm going to start digging, and I'm doing a 60 by 60 centimetre box really, which I'll fill with concrete, and that will act as our foundations for the wall. Yes, I'm going to dig this by hand because this is the first bit. We are going to dig into the actual room itself, and we're going to get a digger for that. But my wife thought, as you've dug a hole for a swimming pool, you can dig a hole here as well. Save us a bit of money rather than getting a digger for 2 days. So let's get started. So this is the area that I'm going to dig. I'm obviously going to remove those concrete slabs and then dig basically 30 centimetres either side of them, which will give our foundation for the wall. So if you're wondering what I'm doing with all of the soil that I'm digging out, well, here I am on our bridge going over to our orchard. It's very wobbly with lots of dips, so I'm utilising the soil just to fill them in and hopefully level out the bridge, so it'll be a bit wider and much leveler. So here's an update of where I'm getting to. As you can see, I've pulled the edging of the carport up, and I have now dug a trench of 60 centimetres wide, and I'm now trying to dig down 60 centimetres so that we have a large enough foundation. One thing I've realised, I'll tell you a little story. I've got a brother-in-law called Paul, and he has a saying which is, it's impossible. And we used to laugh at him all the time. Anything around the house, can you put a new light switch? No, it's impossible. Can you do this? No, it's impossible. When I told him about digging a pool, he said, no, that's impossible. I said, no, I laughed at him. I said, of course we can do that. I dug a massive hole, we got there. I'm now digging another hole because apparently if I can dig a hole for a swimming pool, I can dig a small hole like this. All I'm going to say is, who's laughing now? Cheers, Paul. It's delivery day. So we've got concrete, the van's here, the holes are ready, they're dug, and we've built the wall up so that the foundations, because they're slightly higher than the floor. I better stop filming and get on with it. There we are, guys. We've got the concrete in and I've levelled it out. So there's the foundation ready for the wall. Pretty happy with it. It's a bit of a nightmare levelling concrete. Every time I do it, I hate doing it, but we've got there in the end. And it's looking pretty good. So here's the finished product. Give it a couple of days before I take off the wood from the sides, and we're good to go. But thank you for watching my video this week. Please click the subscribe button on screen now so you can keep updated with all my other videos. Look forward to seeing you next time. Cheers guys, bye.